So let's see how to do merge function. So for that, what you need to do is first thing, I want a table that I would be able to merge. So let's create one from scratch. Go to your actual data source, that is in the Excel file data for Power Query demo. Create one more sheet here. Copy and paste the order ID column and go to table again, and then add a column which will say region. I will update north, south, west. Now quickly copy and paste it so that it fills in over here. And the only objective is to have a column. That's it. North, south, north, south, north, south, west. I'll copy again. Control V. Here we go. Now select the entire data. Click on insert. Click on table. Hit OK. So we have one more table here. Under table design on top, you can see here. Name the table as merge so that we'll know that this is for merge, and do Ctrl+S. Okay. Now let's move to the Power Query. Here we will try to add that table which we have. Click on new source, Excel workbook. Select the Excel data. Now on the screen, you will see that it will ask you for the table that you want to add. So we have this merge table that we had created, and click OK. For this demo of merge and append, it will help, especially for merge. Append, we have a different data table, which we'll see it later. So now we have order ID column and region in the merge table. So let's try to merge data for demo and merge. Now I'll click data for demo, click on merge drop down and select merge queries as new, because I usually like to create a new table altogether by merging two tables. So I'll click on merge queries. Now let's now keep the data for demo as it is, and here you will select merge table, and there are different kinds of joined, left, outer, right outer, full outer. We cannot cover all of them because it's not in the purview of this course, because then it will become an advanced course. We'll keep it basic. We'll keep it a left outer, and select the common columns from both the table. Order ID is a common table, so we will let Power BI know that order ID is a common one. And what now Power BI will do is we'll try to add region onto this table. And kind of it will work as a VLOOKUP, and then hit OK. So if as soon as I hit OK, if you scroll to the left-hand most side, and there is merge column here, but it shows as table with a link. Don't click on that, and click on this two arrows that you can see. Click on that, and here we don't want order ID, we only need region, isn't it, against each order IDs. So we will click on OK. Now you can see that it has taken the region names correctly against each order ID. You can check that. North, south, west. Yeah. So this is how the merge function will work on. And I will remove this merge and merge for now, so that we see how our append works. So let's remove this. I need to remove all the confusions that we have here, because if I keep it and then show append, it will be a lot of confusion. So I'm deleting these two tables. Now I will add a new table. I will hit new source, Excel workbook, and then select the Feb data continued. Append works differently from merge. Merge queries is usually used to kind of work as a VLOOKUP. If another table has additional columns, so that's the time when we use merge, so that our original data table will have those columns. And but merge is like adding data, like for example, if we have month on month data in different tables, that we can club together. So that's what append is used for usually. Now here we will see that we have table 1 which has February data. I want to add this on to our main data which only has Jan's data, correct? So I will click on OK and see that the data is getting loaded. So we have the Feb data. I will rename it Feb data. Now if I use the append query option, select the original query, click on append query as new. First table would be data for demo. Second table would be Feb data. That is what we want to append with. And now the new data that is going to get created, or the table that gets created, has information which is for Feb. So you can see the Feb data has come up, right? So perfect, isn't it? So this is how the append data would work. Now it has data like from Jan and continues till Feb. Okay, now let's see the next tab, that is transform, in the next videos. So see you in the next session.